two quantities, x and y, are connected by the formula y equals to 7 minus 9x. A. Find the value of y when x equals to 0. B. Find the value of x when y equals to 0. Solution. Now the first part of the problem, the formula y equals to 7 minus 9x. Find the value of y when x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, y equals to what? It means anywhere we see x here, we substitute x as 0. 7 minus 9 into 0. So what do we have? 7 minus 9 times 0 is what? 0. And that is equals to what? 7 minus 0. That is 7. Y equals to 7. B. Find the value of x when y equals to 0. We still go back to the formula. 7 minus 9x. Now, when y equals to 0, anywhere we see y here, we put the value of y as what? As 0. We substitute y as 0. So anywhere we see y, we put 0. 0 equals to what? 7 minus 9x. Now, we are going to solve for x. To solve for x, we are going to collect the like time. Collecting the like times, we can bring 7 to the left. So we have 0 minus what? 7 equals to minus 9x. We are taking away 7 from 0. That will be what? Minus 7. So what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to divide both sides by minus 9. Because minus 9 is the coefficient of x, and we are looking for x. So minus 9 divided by minus 7 rather, divided by minus 9 equals to minus 9x divided by minus 9. Minus 9 here 1, minus 9 here 1. So minus divided by minus will give us plus. So x equals to what? 7 divided by 9. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.